Hello everyone, and thank you for your interest in learning more about the ACS Bridge program. I'm Jörg Schlotterer and the project director. The ACS Bridge program is an effort to increase the number of PhDs awarded to underrepresented minority students in chemistry, biochemistry, and chemical engineering. After receiving an undergraduate degree, students are often confronted with the choice of what to do next in their professional development. Many students choose to go to graduate school to pursue a doctorate degree, but a large group of students does not continue their studies after receiving a 4-year degree. There are many reasons behind the decision to transition into the workforce, but some of the larger reasons are cost of applications to graduate school, poor performance on the GRE, lack of adequate mentoring, insufficient research experience, and/or lower academic marks. The reasons disproportionately affect groups traditionally underrepresented in the chemical sciences. The ACS Bridge program aims to bridge the attainment gap between underrepresented minority baccalaureate and doctorate degrees by creating a sustainable transition to address the barriers just mentioned. As shown here, there's a 7% attainment gap between individuals from underrepresented minorities that receive an undergraduate degree versus those that get a PhD. The ACS Bridge program wants to achieve equity, to develop and optimize a sustainable model for bridging access and culture of graduate education, and to communicate our successes to the broader chemistry and science community. ACS is part of the NSF Includes Alliance called the Inclusive Graduate Education Network, or IGEN. IGEN members share the same goals. Develop a community of institutions that share the same broadening participation goals and values in STEM. Create sustainable bridge programs nationwide. Promote holistic review processes. At this point, IGEN includes 5 professional societies and 4 network partners who all share the same goal of increasing diversity in graduate education. How does the ACS Bridge program work? Students submit a general graduate school application to ACS for free. Only ACS-selected institutions will have access to the ACS Bridge applicant database. Those institutions can interview and invite students to join their local programs. Successful ACS Bridge program students are called ACS Bridge Fellows. To learn more about how to receive institutional access to the applicant database, visit acs.org/bridge. The ACS Bridge program does not seek to disrupt the natural order of graduate school admissions, but rather we seek to supplement it to ensure everyone receives a fair chance of admission. We emphasize to students that they should apply traditionally. They should apply to a variety of programs, stay positive, and work hard. Most importantly, we stress that the ACS Bridge program application is not an alternative to the traditional process and should not be used as such. The ACS Bridge program addresses the attainment gap for the underrepresented minorities in the chemical sciences. To that end, underrepresented minorities such as African Americans, Hispanic Americans, and Native American students are the core population who the ACS Bridge program wishes to enroll into chemical science graduate programs. In addition, only those students who have applied to and not been accepted or have not applied at all to graduate programs are eligible. These students will likely be in their final year of their undergraduate studies. Typically, successful applicants enroll in a 1 to 2 year bridge experience in a post-baccalaureate program that provides research experiences, advanced coursework, mentoring, and coaching to prepare a grad school application. This is designed to help the bridge students become more successful and increase the chances of gaining admittance into a doctoral program at the end of their Bridge Fellow period. However, Some PhD programs with strong support infrastructure for students might decide to admit bridge student applicants directly into their PhD program. Call for action. If you mentored an underrepresented minority student who struggles with the idea of going to graduate school because of whatever reason, and you believe it would be a shame if he or she would not get a PhD, refer them to the ACS Bridge program. Also, share information about the ACS Bridge program with your network. The application module is open from now until March. Selected institutions will have access to the applicant pool and will be reviewing applications holistically from April. Institutions will invite students to interview and will inform students of offers in late spring. This concludes today's presentation. Please don't hesitate to contact us with any questions you may have. Thank you so much for helping with broadening participation in graduate education.